Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the outline thickness of shape in Outlook. So let's start it. At first, open your document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for drawing option. And click for the shape option. Then initial shape. Then create a shape. Then shape color is the sense. Click for the shape fill option and then initial color. Then shape is outline color is the and click for VT. Then again shape is correct. Then since the shape color is the shape fill option, then initial color shape. Then click, then shape outline color sense is the shape outline color option and click the then initial color and then weight option and click for the 4PT. Then click for the save and close. Is the page. Then for OK. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.